There,
Hi, my name is Marcel. It's Saturday, so we're going to be in my dad's car. So Daddy's Stinky. I think it's part 1. So I think Dad is going to drive right now.
Mama, but you gotta hold it up like this. You gotta grab it like this.
So you're blocking it.
Yes, Mama, like that. Be careful because you have 2 cameras. You're covering the other camera. You have 2 of them. Yes, like that. You have to hold it like a selfie stick.
Enjoy. Okay. So after this, we're gonna go to Lake Bottom. See you soon. Hi guys. Today we're gonna.
That's why I'm telling you.
Okay, so welcome to part 3. The part 2 I told you in 1. And then we're gonna go see. I'm gonna go to Lake Water.
Happy birthday!
How old are you?
7.
What's this?
It's
Camera? We have a camera for it.
Say hi to Giovanni, Mama.
Hi, Johnny.
How you doing?
Good.
What you got there?
It's camera.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody that I know, nobody wants to go to that position. They're all happy where they're at.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mora.
Yeah, so the only position
Did you have fun yesterday?
they're gonna have, their
Happy birthday.
but none of the subs there.
It's her birthday today? Yeah.
There's only one guy
Say hi
that
to
might get it. He's a young guy. And
Say
his
hi.
sub
Happy
was kind of
birthday.
slow.
I saw
Good.
pictures of you at the coast.
Good.
You have fun? I was like, at first looking, I was like,
It's kind of hard.
whose birthday is it?
They think it's I don't know. I think I can drive.
And then I realized it was her.
Got a good
Usually I have that thing.
chance of
Oh my
getting it.
god. You know what? I am so
I told my friend,
What do you want? You want lemonade? You want orange juice?
I want lemonade.
they're always saying,
That's good for my fatty birthday. It's really chill.
Hey. So I ordered the lemonade. So I hope you come back. Hi guys, it's me, Marcel. Daddy's gonna give me 22 billion Robux. Hi guys, welcome to part 4.